Okay, so as we all know, this pandemic has been really hard on us. I have lost a lot of gains, a lot of strength, and a lot of my discipline as well. This was me before the lockdown had started. I had lost a lot of body fat and gained some strength. I also got some definition in my muscles, and overall, I actually felt better. I had good energy levels, I had low fatigue, and this is me doing pull ups. As you can see, I have some definition in my lats. I can do the pull ups easily, but now I don't think I can do as many as I could, or not that dynamically. But I think I need to get back to that state, and I do realize I have lost a lot of discipline, a lot of muscle, and a lot of strength. So I decided that I had to take control of my life, firstly by gaining strength and increasing cardiovascular strength, increasing my flexibility, and just being consistent with my habits. I have lost many good habits, I've gained a lot of bad ones. I started eating a lot of junk, a lot of carbs, and I really wish to control this in the next 6 months. So, nutrition plans. I plan to reduce carbohydrates from my diet and oily foods. They really make me bloated, and increase vegetables in my diet. And also, maybe add in a few fruits on the side. And also, I plan to reduce sugar. I think sugar is my biggest problem when it comes to fat gain. I just keep eating a lot of junk, a lot of sweet stuff, soda. Now, secondary ways. Be careful what you learn. During this pandemic, you see a lot of people use this time to create new content, and not everything is helpful. But be careful, what you see and where you learn from. Most of these tactics are used to sell their own products, their plans, and it's not really honest most of the time. But just be careful what you learn. And second is, do your own research. Do your own research before following a plan. Not every plan will suit you. I found out that PPL works great for me than the normal 2 muscle per day split. And also work on your strength. Strength is something that is really important for us. Don't just focus on your hypertrophy, or just going to the gym to stay fit. Really focus on strength. That will really help you in the long run. Okay, learn about nutrition. Stop hopping between diets and just stay consistent on your diet and supplementation. Sometimes it takes months before you see progress, but it's better than not seeing anything at all. Okay, so guys, this was a short video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.